Next question. If A, B, C are positive real numbers such that there is an inequality, log A plus B base 8. Log A plus B base 8 upon log C base 2 plus log A minus B base 27 upon log C base 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Then the greatest possible value of A will be what? So first of all, if we observe the base of all these logarithmic functions, then we can write the 8 as base 2 and I can write 27 as base 3. So let's do that first. 8 is what? 2 cube. If I'll bring 3 here in the front, then I'll get 1 by 3 log A plus B base 2. Why? Because if the base has a power, it will come as the reciprocal. If the argument, which is this A plus B had some power, then it would have come as it is. Okay. So I hope you guys remember all the laws of logarithm. Log C base 2 plus. Similarly here I'll get again 1 by 3 log A minus B base 3 upon log C base 3 equal to 2 by 3. Let's take 1 by 3 common. Now log A plus B upon log 2 can be written as log A plus B upon log 2 whole upon log C base 2 can be written as log C upon log 2, and log 2 and log 2 gets cancelled out. Similarly, this can also be written as a log A minus B upon log 3 whole upon log C upon log 3. Again log 3 and log 3 will get cancelled out. So we are left with now log A plus B upon log C can be written as log A plus B base C. Similarly, this term can be written as log A minus B base C. Okay. Next, log A plus log B can be written as log A B. If you remember, log A plus log B, there is this identity, can be written as, if the bases are equal, can be written as log AB. So that's what we are gonna do. 1 by 3 log A plus B, A minus B base C equal to 2 by 3. Acha, this 3 and 3 will also get cancelled out. This A plus B, A minus B can be written as A square minus B square base C equal to 2. Now we can easily remove the logarithmic function. How? A square minus B square argument is equal to base to the power RHS other side. So the value of A square is what? C square plus B square, and the value of A will be square root of C square plus B square. Now let's look at this inequality. So the inequality says the maximum value of B can be 10. So let's find out A max. The maximum value of B can be 10 and also the maximum value of C can be 10. So this is what? 10 square plus 10 square. So the maximum value can be square root of 200, but they are asking us the positive integer value. So the perfect square just less than 200 is what? 196. If you calculate the square root of 196, you get the answer as 14. So this is your answer.